Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do these Bambi Thanksgiving inspired nails. So I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. And if you guys haven't seen my other character designs, I usually start off with a pencil sketching of the character, then I go in and do the outlining. So here on my ring finger I have Bambi penciled out, and then I'm going to go in with my Light Elegance swirly brush, and then I have a combination of a bunch of different Madame Glam colors. I've custom blended I think just about all the colors, so I'm not going to list what they are because I've mixed them all together. But I'm going to start with this brown, and I'm going to do the outline in this brown shade. And I just follow the pencil outlining, then I give this a cure. And now that the outline is cured, I go in and I basically use this as a coloring page and I color in Bambi. So I'm starting with the black and I just keep flash curing in between each color change and I just color in Bambi. If you guys are interested in any of my other character nail designs, I've done quite a few at this point. I will leave my playlist down below for my character nail designs. And once I get Bambi all colored in and I color in the background of the nail as well, I give that a full cure, then remove the tacky layer and I go back in and do some more detailing. I kind of mix up a darker brown because I did not like the original brown I had mixed up. So I mix up a darker brown to go back over and add the details back in and do more precision with the outlining, as well as I go in and add some more black detailing, like on his eye, add the eyelashes, things like that. now Bambi is all done, and we're going to move on to the rest of the nail art. So I'll be using Light Elegance's Curry On. This is from their recent fall collection, a beautiful burnt orange color. This has hands down been one of my favorite colors for this fall season. I'm going to go ahead and do a coat of this on my pinky finger. Next, we're going to go in with Light Elegance's Bearded Lady. This is from my fall collection a few years back. This is a deep, rich, dark brown shade. I'm going to do a coat of this on my pointer finger. Now going in with Light Elegance's Dreaming of Dubai, this really pretty, kind of chunky, holographic gold color. This is from one of my favorite winter collections a few years ago that Light Elegance had released, the Around the World collection. And I'm just going to take this color and we're going to do kind of some glass nails. So I'm not going to do a full coat of this on my ring finger. My middle finger. I'm just going to kind of swirl it around, and then I do the same on my thumb. Now I'm going back in and doing a second coat of the brown as well as the orange. And now for the glass nails, I'm going in with Young Nails Flex Gel, which I use to put on chunky glitters. So I do a thin coat of this on my middle finger, and I'm using this glitter leaf mix from Glitter Boutique Canada. I believe this is Glitter Mix 1. I'll write the name on the screen here. And I take some leaves, so I place 3 leaves down and then flash cure this. Then I move on to the thumb, do the same thing. I think I end up putting 4 leaves down on the thumb because it is a bigger nail. So I have this foil pack from Jelly Nails. If you guys are interested in this foil pack or anything off of her website, I do have a discount code. I'll link it down below. Make sure to check out her shop. I also did an unboxing of some Christmas goodies she sent me, so check out that video as well. But I take this gold foil, and it's already cut up pretty small, but there's still some bigger chunks, so I did end up shredding some of the bigger chunks, and I just place in the gold foil in the spaces that are kind of empty on the glass nail to help fill it in. But this glass nail is really pretty because it has all the layers of the glitter and then the leaves and then the foil on top as well. So now I'm going to go in and add a little bit of bling. So I'm going to try out this gel glue, crystal glue, from Jelly Nails. This is my first time using it. I'm going to use Swarovski crystals, and I believe this is Jonquil AB. If it's not, I'll write the correct name on the screen. And then these little like arrowhead pieces too. And I'm going to use the gold ones out of that. And for picking up the crystals, I'll be using this crystal picker-upper from Jelly Nails as well. So I just place a small dot of the glue down, put down a Swarovski crystal, and then right under it add some more glue, and I put the little arrowhead right under that. So go ahead and give this a flash cure, and that's on the pinky, and I'm going to do a little bit on the pointer finger as well. And I'm going to switch over and use these rings, these circle frames that I have. I'm going to use the gold one out of the pack. And so I place one right in the middle, and then I find a crystal that fits into the ring, put that one in the center, and then I put 2 crystals on either side, a little bit smaller, just to have a little bit of bling on the nail. And this is my first time using this gel glue, and so far they're holding up pretty good. Where I live, we are shut down again, so I'm not currently working in the salon. Normally that's my test, is doing hair, seeing if the different products hold up on my nails. So I'm not doing a whole lot right now, so they are holding up, but I'm also not doing a whole lot. So I'll have to check back in with you guys when I'm back at work and see how well this glue holds up. And now I'm going to go ahead and top coat all the nails. I'm using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And so here is how my Bambi nails came out. I feel like Bambi didn't come out the best, but Bambi's also a very simple character, so maybe that's what it is there's just not a lot of detail to put into Bambi. But I love this set of the warm, like, fall tones and my glass leaf nails. I feel like they came out so pretty. I just love this combination. And just having Bambi as a little accent is cute as well. You know me, I love doing my character nails. And I feel like this is a perfect set for Thanksgiving. So I know this week is a little wonky. I did 2 videos back to back, but I wanted this to be up before Thanksgiving. So I hope you guys don't mind a bonus video this week. But this is my last fall tutorial for the year, and then we're moving full speed into holiday nails. If you guys have any suggestions for holiday nails, especially if it's a character design, I'd love to hear your recommendations down below. Make sure to subscribe to see all the holiday designs coming up, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!